A very good morning to all my students. This is our online class for English subject, and for today's class we need our book of English, English workbook and English notebook. So first of all, keep these three things with you along with your pencil and eraser. Okay, and let's just begin the class. But before beginning, I wish to tell you something that in the previous classes we have done all the letters by using two lines. And what were the two lines? One was standing line like this and another was the sleeping line. Isn't it? सारे letters हमने जो भी किए हैं, we have used two lines. One was standing line, another was sleeping line, right? Like we have made T with these two lines. We have also made L with these two lines. But from today onwards, these two lines are not enough because we need one more line. And which line is that? Let me show you. The another line is slanting line. Which line? Slanting line. Okay. So from today onward, we would need three lines. Okay. The one is sleeping line, second is a standing line, and third one is slanting line. Slanting can be like this and like this as well. Okay. How we can make slanting line? Like this. Like this. Okay. This is the slanting line and this is also a slanting line. Okay. जो टेढ़ी हो जाती है थोड़ा सा. Yes. So from today onward, whatever the letter we learn, we would need three lines. What will the line? Either standing line or sleeping line or slanting line. Okay. Maybe all the three can be used together or maybe two lines can be used. Okay. So this is called sleeping line, this is standing line, and this is the slanting line. Now let's just see that how letters can be made with these three lines. So firstly, open your book of English. Students, in the last video we have done all the letters. I have told you now, we have done all the letters that can be made with standing line and sleeping line. Look, these are the letters that we have learned. Now from today we will use slanting line as well. Okay. So this is the letter that we are going to learn today. This is letter Z. Okay. The topic name is let us have fun with letters 2. Fun with letter 1 we have done, and now from today we are going to start fun with letters 2. And this is in page number 27. So open your page number 27. And firstly, write down date on the top. What is the date today? Today is 12. So write down 1, 2, 1, 2, 12, then hyphen, then 6, again a hyphen, and then 2, 0, 2, 0. This is the date. Today is 12, no? That's why 12 June 2020. Okay. Now write down CW because this is your class work. CW. Okay. Now look in the book. Here are some pictures which starts with the letter Z. Look, point and say the names of the pictures aloud. So you can see that this is letter Z and there are some pictures that start with letter Z. We can also say it Z. Z को क्या बोल सकते हैं? Z. Okay. Now look at the picture and then name them aloud. This is a zebra. 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 Then 0. 0. Zigzag. 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 zoo, zoo. Zip. So have you noticed one thing, that all the pictures begins with letter Z. Z means Z. So Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And you know, zebra has this black strips on its body and he lives in jungle. The next one is zero. Look, this is zero. So this is zero. Z. Z for zero. Now this is zigzag. You can also make zigzag like this. See? Zigzag. And it begins with letter Z. Letter Z. This is a zoo. Have you ever gone to any zoo? Have you? Actually, zoo is a place where all the animals live. You can see there is a lion, there is a peacock. No? So, zoo is a place where all the animals live together. And zoo also begins with letter Z. At last, we have picture of zip. See, this is zip. You can see zip in your bag and you can see zip in your jeans. So, zip also begins with letter Z. So, students, you have seen that each picture begins with letter Z. Here, we have noticed one thing, that each picture begins with letter Z. So, now we can say that Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zero, Z for zigzag, Z for zoo, Z for zip. And look, this is the capital Z and this is the small z. Capital Z, small z. You can also pronounce it like Z. Like Z की जगह आप इसको Z भी बोल सकते हैं. Like capital Z and small z. Z for zebra, Z for zero, Z for zigzag, Z for zoo and Z for zip. So you can use either Z or Z. Okay. So here I am using Z. So Z for zebra, Z for zero, Z for zigzag, Z for zoo and Z for zip. Okay. Now circle the letter with which the name of each picture begins. Look, this is the picture of zoo. This is the picture of zoo. And zoo begins with which letter? Now I think you all know that zoo begins with letter B. Am I right? Okay. Yes, I am wrong. Zoo does not begin with letter B because zoo begins with letter Z. So circle letter Z. Okay. Now our next picture is zip. So from which letter zip begins? Is it begins with letter Z or S or P? Yeah, exactly. Z for zip. So I'm gonna circle letter Z. Okay? Circle letter Z on your book. So here we have learned that all these pictures are begins with letter Z. Okay? One more time I'm gonna tell that Z for zebra, Z for zero, Z for zigzag, Z for zoo and Z for zip. Okay? And in the next part of today's video, we will learn that how we can write letter Z. Okay? And we will learn capital Z in our workbook, in our notebook as well. Okay? So meet you in the next part of this video. Good day.